Hi, Chef Joe with Healthy Kids Inc. and today we're going to be making a lemony orzo with a veggie and chicken salad. So we've poached our chicken beforehand in just a little bit of water, or you could use stock, and season that, of course, with salt and pepper. So we've got that hanging out. We're going to shred that up at the last minute. We've got our other pot of boiling salted water, and I've thrown the leftover pieces of lemon in here from zesting and juicing the lemon. Of course, we've salted this. There's also a little touch of oil in there too. We're going to go ahead and put in our orzo. Let it begin to cook. We're looking at about 8 minutes cooking time on this. All right, to this bowl, we're going to add our green onions, our red pepper, our cucumber, a little bit of salt, some fresh cracked black pepper, and drizzle some olive oil. We're going to save the lemon zest and juice and garlic, but it'll also be getting added in here. Okay, so we'll let that hang out. Okay, at this point we're ready to drain our orzo. Okay, we're going to pull out our pieces of lemon. We're going to let the orzo cool now for the time being before we combine it with the rest of our ingredients. Okay, now to our orzo. As it's cooling, we're going to go ahead and add our lemon juice, some of our zest. We're going to save some for plating. We have some minced garlic. We're just going to combine all this together. Okay, bring our cucumber and green onion salad. You're back to the front. We've seasoned this with salt and pepper already and a drizzle of oil. I'm going to add a little bit of our leftover lemon zest to this to kind of get those flavors to carry through. I'm going to add a tablespoon of honey. Okay, so at this point, everything is done. All that's left to do is to bring everything together on the plate. So we're going to plate our lemony orzo. We're going to top it with our cucumber, bell pepper, and green onion salad. It's got the honey, the salt, the pepper, and a little bit of oil. Then we're going to top it with a little bit of our goat cheese and our cooked chicken, and that's all there is to it. So we'll plate it up, and we'll show you the finished product in just a couple of minutes.